All right, we are back in Limgrave. It's another day of Elden Ring. We made it back to the Dragon Burnt Ruins, where I got transported away from yesterday. That other world looked crazy. If you want to go back and watch that video, if you haven't seen it, that was a lot of fun. But I felt above my pay grade, so I was able to fast travel, which I normally hate fast traveling, but I was able to fast travel back eventually, and we're gonna keep moving towards the south, I believe. Is that where we're going? Yeah, we're gonna keep heading south. I want to go check out what's over here, and then maybe if we can, we'll head down even further. I think the game wanted me to go north, but that's why we're going south. You know, we're gonna rebel a little bit. Uh-oh. Is that just a normal tortoise, or is this tortoise gonna try and fight me too? What is he doing? Yeah, it feels like everything in this world wants me to die, you know? And I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, this little... Is it a cave or a ruin of some kind? Whoops. Let's go see what's in there. Okay, so it's not locking on, so this guy might be a friend, and he might be able to tell me what I'm doing in this world. Please don't fight me. Acquire materials. Oh, more butterflies. Can we talk? Yes!
You must be the new Tarnished. Beautiful work. Felling that dragon. And as such, there's something you might like to know.
There's a lot I'd like to know.
It's used in Dragon Communion. If you should find yourself overcome by hunger for the heart, yearning for its strength, then seek the decrepit church on the little island off the western coast.
Okay. I appreciate the information. I found that just wandering around the other day. So, I need new info. But that's good. There are people in this world that will help tell me what's going on. That's a positive thing. Oh, I've seen some of them. Easy game. Oh, there's a lot of them. There we go. Who's tarnished now? Guy just appeared out of nowhere. Think we make that jump? I don't think we make it, but I think we try. Nope. You know, you'll never learn until you try. Oh my gosh, it started me all the way back. Okay, I was just looking at my map to try and figure out where I actually want to go, and I saw this Yura, Hunter of Bloody Fingers. I don't know what that is, but again, let's just reiterate, this game is gross. And then there's this thing down here, which that looks really interesting to me, so that's where we're gonna head. Oh, okay, so this is Yura, who we just talked to. And they want bloody fingers. I have bloody fingers, I think.
Not forget, though, it's no surprise that Dragon Communion is ruinous.
I mean, yeah, that makes sense. Can I give you some bloody fingers, though? It says you hunt for bloody fingers. I have bloody fingers. I have a plethora of bloody fingers. You can have them all. What is going on here? You know, I think we're just going to watch for a minute, because I've done enough fighting. All right, we got our materials. Now... Oh, that's all that was? Ugh. He called his friends! He called his friends! Get out! Get out! I can't fight 3 of them at once. No way. Okay, I was gonna go south down here, but there's already a marker right here. So maybe we go check that out. Don't worry about it. I'm not bothering anybody. Teardrop scarabs. These are both Crimson and Cerulean Teardrop Scarabs. Defeat them to replenish the flasks that match their type. Okay, well, I was kind of hoping for another one of those Ashes of War that I have no idea how to use. I'm kind of collecting them, you know? Like, don't know how to use them, don't know what they're actually for, but someday I'm going to learn. Maybe we're going towards this giant tree. That looks like a point of interest. Is that a bear? I think that's a bear. That's a really big bear. Yep, that's a big bear. Another overworld boss. Very cool. Easy game! If this was Red Dead, I could skin him and sell his pelt. He's still kind of twitchy. Alright, should we try this big bear? Why not? I mean, what do we got to lose? My dignity went out the window a long time ago. Oh! He's very tanky. Oh, his little baby bear. Oh, there's two big ones. Oh, I think the one killed. Nope. Well, they're hurting each other, so I guess that's a good thing. Maybe I can. Maybe I don't know what I was gonna say. Maybe I can, but apparently I can't. Okay, so the giant bears are hard. And my stuff is right near it. So we're going to just charge right in. Grab it and go. Go! We'll fight the bears later. Turns out there's just a lot of bears. Whoa! Okay, that's probably what I needed to get to. But, whoa! Giant bears aren't letting me by. Alright, let's see what this is. This looks new. What was that? Okay, follow the footsteps. While bear hunting in the process. I bet I can guess how this guy died. Oh, look, a map. You know, who doesn't like a good scratch, you know? I mean, that guy's just living his best life. I kind of want to snag whatever's underneath him, though. Something howled. Okay, so there's a Stake of America here, and I'm guessing that means that something bad's about to happen, because usually the Stake of America stuff means that there's a boss. Mistwood Ruins. Yeah, there's a boss. Maybe we don't need to fight him. Maybe we can just sneak straight down. If this transports me to the other side of the map, I swear. Axe Talisman. Oh, I learned if you push square, it actually gives you details, so now we can learn things. All right, the Lord who led the long march bore an axe, and his loyal warriors honored him by wielding axes of their own, making them very effective at dealing decisive blows. Great. I don't know what that means. What is this? All right, we gotta sneak back out of here. Something's telling me we're not sneaking anywhere. Should we roll between his legs? Well, we tried. Okay, so I checked my map because I got that, I got that new map here. And it says that there's a... I can't see what that says. It says Blaidd the Half Wolf. And I hear somebody howling. And it's clearly not this giant sloth bear. So there's somebody around here. Hear that? Where are you? So I just circled all the way through and I don't see this wolf, half wolf. Where is he? I hear him. Oh! That was the most brutal death we've experienced yet. Wow. I've walked all the way around this thing multiple times. And I think he must be in there with the bear. Or maybe he is the bear? I don't really know. Well, I found a treasure chest. Oh, okay. Nice! I need those. Mr. Half Wolf. Where is this guy? I have a feeling he can, like, help me fight this bear. Is he up here? How do I get up there? All right, maybe we just have to kill the bear first. And then he'll come out. Maybe he's afraid of the bear. And I think that's very reasonable. Because I'm afraid of the bear. You know? Let's try something different. Well, that did very little. Other than piss him off. What else we got? Tools. Maybe I can throw some daggers. Good throw. So I got this ash, and we're going to try to use one of these for the first time. Try the wolf one. They're getting their butts kicked as much as I did. I mean, not great, you know? They're hurting him, but not enough for this to be worthwhile. Oh! Well, okay. But look at this. I have this to refill my blue. Blue is magic meter. We got FP. I don't know what it stands for, but it's the magic meter. So we can send another wolf pack at him. No, we can't. Why can't we? How come I don't have enough magic? Maybe that's the wolf guy. The half wolf. Right? That could be the wolf guy, right? Like that's the half wolf or what's his? I can't remember. They gave him a name. Probably need to defeat the giant sloth bear or sun bear, whatever it is, that's within the ruins, and maybe then he'll come down. That's my hope. Oh yeah, that's definitely him. Okay, good. Okay, all right. So let's go defeat this. Let's go defeat this bear so he can come down. I think that's what we got to do. All right, maybe we try a different spell or ash this time. You know, he's incompetent, but maybe he's competent with bears. I don't know. Let's try it. Hey, bud. Go get the bear. Get the bear. That way. He's right there. Help me. Well, you weren't much help. Well, he's even worse than the wolves were. Got whooped. Hey, warty pig, I don't need you fighting me too. Mind your business. Ow, stop it. Okay, well, all my help is dead. But we're doing okay. This seems doable. That darn warty pig. Back off, buddy. All right, we got him. That wasn't too bad. Hefty beast bones. I should get something so much better than that. Well, I guess this guy's gonna come down, right? Oh, he did come down. Right? Where'd he go? Hey, you can come down. It's safe. Come on. Come on. I don't even have any arrows. I can't shoot him down. What am I supposed to do? Okay. I guess we're coming back. Let's go see what this tree is. We don't know what an Erd tree is, but we heard from some guy, the guy in the catacomb, I think, that it has to do with death. I hope I'm not picking like flowers from people's graves. That's kind of rude. I mean, I guess Ganondorf's a villain, so he's allowed to be rude. My flask refill. Look at that. We are getting the game. We are gaming. We're understanding things. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Okay, so these big, giant, cool trees, they just have flowers around them, which is cool, but I was kind of hoping for something more. Seemed like a bigger deal than that. Could be missing something. Thought maybe this could be like a Deku tree where I could go inside. I don't think it is. Well, it's on my map, so that feels like it's important, but I don't see anything around it. Oh wait, but first, what's this? A deer ran inside. Yeah, this looks like a fight. It's a fight, isn't it? See you later, bud. This is a very deep well. Okay, this is pretty. I've been saying ugly game. This is very pretty. Okay. Not what I was expecting. Siofra River. There's an entire underground. Much like the depths and Tears of the Kingdom, there's an entire underground under here. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. You know, one of my favorite aspects of Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom is just kind of getting on these little tangents like this. You know, you expect to go somewhere on the map, but then you see something else, and you spend your entire playtime doing something completely different. So this is nice. Like, I enjoy this. All right. It looks like I need to get in there. It's guarded. Nice. We need more smithing stones. That's always good. Oops. Hi, bud. Don't mind me. I'm just running past. I'm not a threat. Nice. Smithing stones are what I need. There are lots of guards. You know, it's nice to have a mountain goat as a steed, right? No! Oh, we had it. Silver pickled fowl foot. Well, I have a gold one, though. There was something else up here, though, and that seemed more important. Is this what we're meant to do now? This looks like a lever I should be able to pull. But is this going to take me up higher or down lower? Hold on. I don't know if we're done here yet. Let me search the area a little bit more. Okay, well, that might be it down here. That's kind of a cool little area. I wonder if we're going down farther. No, we're going up. We're going up. All right, back to the overworld. Let's get a good look at Ganon and his amazing physique. Oh, we're not going all the way back up yet. I don't know what those are, but I'm sure it's disgusting. Are these the little baby crabs? They're like raised down here in the underworld. Oh, there's the big one. I was kind of hoping to read some of this. Oh. What? Wait. I can do something with that. Oh, okay. So I can interact with these. Or I could with that one. What is that? What did I just do? How did I just do that? What? Okay, so these are like gestures. I don't get what I'm doing. So I probably... Hey! So if I hold triangle... Oh, okay. Well, I feel like an idiot. I guess what I did before when I thought I was doing something important was just a gesture. Okay. We're learning. We're learning. Ah, but maybe that beetle thing's back up here. Is that what it is? Yeah, it is. It's okay. It's one of those beetles, but it's got a different color to it, so that means it's really important. Oh, darn it. Roll off. Yeah. Hey, we got it. Oracle bubbles. Oracle bubbles. Okay. We don't know what anything means. That's okay. We're learning. Don't ask what that song was. I don't really know. Ah, I can pull the lever now. This is cool. I like it under here. I like the underground a lot. It's really pretty. Okay, hopefully this is like a map or something. Hopefully not a boss fight. Light the flame. I feel like this is going to be a boss fight. Why did I light the flame? Everything's so angry in this game. Are you a friend or a foe? You're a foe. Okay. Quickly, quickly, quickly! No! Okay. Did it stay lit? It's lit. So there's probably a few more of these. Light the torches. It's a classic Zelda puzzle. Hey, we found the map. You know, I still haven't even found any actual story in this game, so not sure what we're actually after here. This is definitely a boss fight. I'm just gonna walk around very quietly and not wake up this crazy monster. And I was kind of thinking there was going to be a torch somewhere over here, but there's not. I mean, it's very cool looking. I mean, kind of ugly, but cool. It's a boss, right? It's like a demon elk. Okay, we'll leave it alone for now. Off to find more torches. At least that's what I'm guessing. I definitely need to get that direction, but there's a torch right here, and that's what we're trying. That's what we're going for. I don't know why we're going for it, but move, move, move! Gotta be fast. Whoa! I have an arrow stuck in my head. Can somebody please tell me how to get this arrow out of my head? Okay, there it goes. All right, we're gonna try and be sneaky about this one. Maybe those floating orbs won't notice me. He noticed me. Nope. shoot! Oh my gosh, I just lost all those runes! Like 9,000 runes! Wow! Live and learn. Should have spent them. Can't hoard it. Can't take it with you. Am I right? That orb's not moving. This is the one I died at where I lost all my stuff. I mean, I don't feel as bad anymore because I don't have 8,000 runes to lose, so I can try this a bunch of times and just hope for the best. Still don't know what's going to happen if I actually can light everything up, but maybe we just go in full sprint. Got it. Get out of the way! Somebody in the comments want to tell me if this is actually going to matter, if I'm wasting my time. He belly flopped and he missed. Hey, go! You're not supposed to help them. Clarifying horn charm. Don't know what that means. No, this is not right. I didn't finish something. Gosh darn it. I don't know what I'm doing. Got something. Square off. Okay. Lots of ashes of war. Still don't know what to do with them. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's another one of these. Okay. You know what I realized way too late last time? Is we have the perfect equipment for this. We can put on the gardening hat. Anyone want to explain how a plant does that? It's all about the gardener hat. Let's go. Easy game. Come on, there was supposed to be something cool after that. What? How do I get up there? Let's Mario jump this thing. Nope. Okay, well there's something in there. And I think we're supposed to go check it out. It looks important. Maybe that way? Maybe we get up there? Oh boy. Probably take my gardener hat off, right? Climb faster! Climb faster! We're sneaky. Hey, it's our friend, Kale? This sucks. I could have purchased so much cool stuff down here. Like soap. Alright, this is the last place that I think we can go before we leave the area. I just paid a fortune for one of those. Ugh. You hate to see it. Oh, look at that. Okay, so the torches are lighting up as I light them up. Whoa. Hold on. It looks like we found 7 out of the 8 torches, and I bet when we find that 8th torch, it's going to wake this bad boy up, and then we get to fight it. That's my guess. So we got one more torch to find. Let's go find it. Oh, there it is. Found it! Alright, now we get to go fight this big bad guy. I think it's awake now. That's my guess. The good news is I don't really have any runes to lose. All right, we made it. Let's go. We're gonna fight this giant elk. Is he awake? Oh, he's got blue, like, magical smoke around him now. He's awake. Or he will be. This feels like I haven't been able to kill a single enemy in this entire area, so I'm guessing I don't stand a chance against this guy. But let's see what we do. Oh. Touch horned remains. How about I take him out while he's still asleep? Okay, not gonna work. Oh boy. This is a big traverse the mist, so this is gonna be a big bad fight. And I don't have my steed. Oh, that's cool. Can I call my steed down here? No, I cannot. Oh boy. All right, we're gonna die, and that's okay. He can fly. Okay. Wow. We are not prepared for that fight. You know, wolves tend to eat elk. So let's try this. No, they died. They just died. Okay, so you know what I just realized, and I don't really like this, is that if I die, I don't get my arrows back. Like, it should be a reset, right? What else do we have? Maybe this guy can help me this round. Can he help? He can distract at least. Is my friend gone? Yeah, he's gone. I mean, I got him part way, but it's... Yeah, I don't have enough arrows to keep doing this, and I don't really... I don't know. Let's try it with a little armor on this time. Maybe that'll help. Magic doesn't help. Arrows don't help. We're gonna learn the pattern. This is my least favorite part. Oh man, that was close. All right, this one's really doable. It's, you know, it's intimidating seeing a giant zombie elk, but he's not that bad. It's kind of sad that I've been beaten into a pulp so many times that I feel like this isn't not bad. I like his pants. I can feel it. This is the one. Never mind. That's my least favorite move. Oh! All right, we're pretty even. 2-2. I don't know what that means. He's halfway down. I've got half of my flasks left. Oh, no. Okay, this is actually the one. If you could just stay on the ground, that would be great. Okay. Don't look now, guys, but I might actually be getting good at video games. Watch out. Oh, or not. Feeling pretty good. Can he do it? We're looking good on this one. There's no more flying. No more Santa's reindeer moves, and we should be okay. Oh. Ugh. Go! Ancestral follower ashes. Don't know what that means. All right. Look at that. We're getting better. Are we getting good at video games? We might be getting good at video games. Oh yeah, looking cool. Demon Lord Ganondorf is tearing up the lands between. This is super fun, actually. I'm really enjoying the boss fights. I mean, they are a little grindy, but that's okay. The underground, super cool. Loved the old school light the torches puzzle. That was really fun. Yeah, overall, this was a fun day. I didn't get to do any of the things that I was actually looking to do. I didn't figure out the half-wolf man, and I didn't figure out what was at the end of the road, which is where I was headed. But we found the underground. We lit some torches. We defeated a giant reindeer. Pretty fun. All right, we're going to call it there for the day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.